In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect to a device on Spotify on iPhone. First, open the Spotify app on your iPhone. To get started, play any song, playlist, or podcast. Having something already playing makes it easy to access the controls you'll need, and it ensures the player bar appears at the bottom of your screen. Next, open the Now Playing screen. Tap the small bar with the track details at the very bottom. This expands into the full player view, where you'll see the album art, playback controls, and a few extra icons we'll use in a moment. If you don't see it right away, make sure audio is playing and not paused. Now, look for the device's icon. It looks like a little speaker with a screen. Tap that to open the Spotify Connect menu. This is the hub that lets you switch your audio from your iPhone to another supported device. Think of it as your central switchboard for where your music plays. From here, choose the device you want to play on. You might see options like a smart TV, a Bluetooth speaker, a laptop or desktop, or a smart speaker such as one with a voice assistant. Make sure the device you want is powered on and nearby, then simply tap its name in the list to connect. You'll see Spotify start linking to that device, and once connected, the audio will hand off from your iPhone to the device you selected. At this point, your music is playing on the selected device, but you can still control everything from your iPhone. Use the play and pause buttons, skip tracks, adjust volume, and even manage your queue right from the Spotify app. This is one of the best parts of Spotify Connect. Your iPhone becomes a convenient remote control while the actual audio plays elsewhere. If you don't see your device in the list, there are a few quick things to check. Make sure both your iPhone and the other device are on the same Wi-Fi network. If you're using Bluetooth, confirm Bluetooth is turned on and the device is in pairing or ready mode. Try restarting Spotify on both your iPhone and the other device, and ensure the other device is logged into Spotify if it requires it so it can appear as an available target. That's all there is to it. You can now easily connect and control music across multiple devices using Spotify, and that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Spotify tips and tutorials.